Kids, have you ever been to a zoo? There are animals, there are birds, and there are jungle sounds. They have also created a zoo for you, where you can meet your favorite animals, monkeys, lions, sparrows, elephants, and many more. So come on and enjoy.
Crow. This is a crow. It is black in color. Duck. This is a duck. It can swim on the water. It cannot fly for too long. Eagle. This is an eagle. It eats flesh. It has a sharp vision. Parrot. This is a parrot. It eats chilies. It is very beautiful. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. White pigeon is a symbol of peace. Peacock. This is a peacock. It is a beautiful bird. It dances during rain. Sparrow. This is a sparrow.